It's Thursday, November 23rd, Thanksgiving Day. And we're inside the greenhouse right now. We're looking at, I brought in most of the plants in for the winter. And this one is gak. And this one is ube. This is the purple ube potato. I guess the Philippine, people use it to make ice cream and bakeries. This tomato is still doing really great. So, and then this is the pot with the potatoes. Is trying to figure out how I can pull the tomato out, the potato out without impacting the tomato plants. So, and you can see that the potato is doing good because of the way the pot is, bulky at the bottom. So it looks like it probably has a huge potato in there somewhere. Anyway, it's getting cold. And what happened is that in the winter, if it gets too much rain, it's gonna basically not really good for the potato, because it basically, it's gonna rot, because of the wet rain. So what I want to do is harvest it, dig it out, and put it inside the house in a dry place to keep it over the winter. Then it will, and you can plant it again next year. Because, let me see. So, let's see. Yeah. I mean, it's such a beautiful day. It's like 70 degrees in Northern California, sunny. And I want to show the way you can basically start them is, from the existing potato, or they produce these little potato like bullet here. Let's see, trying to find them. Oh, here's a good one. See this little potato, and basically you can start them that way. They're very easy to start. So let me see. Let's see. They're so easy to start. See this? Okay, so far it's about half done digging. So it's just a bit too hot right now, so I'm gonna take a little break and then go check out what's in season right now. So looks like this dragon fruit here is still flowering, and then there's a couple of fruits left right here. See, loofah. This is ready for harvest. So I actually grow these just for the sponge. I like the sponge, natural sponge for scrubbing dishes. And then this is a dragon fruit. Got a couple of fruits left. So that one there is leftover from last year. So surprised at that. So the rats ate the fruit, but the fruit is still hanging on like that on the outside. So even though there's no fruit, it didn't drop off. That's so strange. So it's been over a year, 12 months now, that fruit's been sitting like that. I'm so surprised that it didn't drop off. This is the remaining loofah sponge. So I like to use the sponge for scrubbing. You know, use it as scrubbing as for your bath or dishes. It works really well. So yesterday I harvested a whole bunch. They're very easy to remove the seeds, and then you can just use it like that. So these seeds will be for next year planting. So yeah, grow your own sponge. So it works really well. I mean, it's so much better than those you know, fake sponge. This is a natural sponge because you can scrub the dishes and pans and for bath as well. Works really well. I really like it. Oops, where's my gloves? I need to put on the gloves first. Woohoo! Let's see. I can feel it now. There it is. Woohoo! Check it out. Whoa! It's a whole bunch here. Look at that. Whoa! So that's the pot. So we got 2 of these. Look at all the roots. Little baby ones. So I will plant these next year. They'll get big like this. There's nothing in that one. Check it out, check it out. Ooh. There you go. It looks like Bigfoot. I guess I didn't repot them last year, so they grew all the way towards the bottom, and this is what happened when they can't extend. It becomes like that. Because it hits the bottom of the pot, so there's no more space for growth. are really easy to grow. You just water and soil. Actually, these I use wood chips. Oh shit, my chicken is eating it. Look at that. Hey, 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 hey. No, no. 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 Stop it. Look, chicken is already going for it. And stop her. Put her back in here so that she can't get to it. The baby one too. It's a baby one. Good harvest.